How to turn off location on iPhone. To turn off location on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your phone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, you should scroll a little bit. Find the Privacy and Settings option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, you will be able to control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and manage safety protection. Then, tap on Location Services. Once you're in, toggle off the Location Services option. Tap on the Turn Off button. Location Services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized Location Services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable Lost Mode. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.